Mamaya, talagang bababa na agad. Malamig. Malamig. Malamig, anak ko, malamig. Wow! Broom, broom! Broom! Broom, broom! Ang big mo na, anak ko. Uy! Oh. Oh. Hop! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Malaki yun sa'yo? Oo. Maliliit yung mga ganun mo eh. Malaki yun masyado. Tingnan mo. Nagbabasa ng kanyang books habang nag-praise song si Gio. Yan ang favorite niyang praise song. Goodness of God and worthy is the Lamb. Ayan o. Nanonood talaga yan, nakikinig talaga yan. May baby na nagpapakarga. Bigat-bigat na. What did you say? Hurrah! Hurrah! Oh, you're singing. Hurrah! Down to the ground. Hurrah! What are you singing? Ang big-big na, oh. Oh, ang big na. Ang laki ng hita, oh. Oh. So big, oh. What is that? Hurrah? Winter, pero ano, kahit winter pinapawisan, paano ka mabubuhay sa Pilipinas, anak? Winter ay pinapawisan ka. Oo. Punong-puno ang bibig ng apple. Oh, puno ang bibig ng apple. Sorry. Kakatapos ko lang po mag-snack. Busog mat. Ano kayo, baba na, oh. Go to your book na. Go to your books. Be careful. Namiss ko na siyang suotan ng short. Careful, ha? Careful. Ang bilis mo nang lumakad, anak, ah. Wow! 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 Ikot-ikot pa yan. Oh, ang bilis na niyan lumakad. Oh, ang bilis na. Oh. If you happy and you know it and you really wanna show it. Gio! Gio! Look at your balls, oh. Naglalaro ng mag-isa, oh. Your ball is playing. Oh, be careful, ha? Yay! Yay! Ay, palakad-lakad, oh. Pauli-uli. Be careful! Tinulak ka ng yung ball. Galing na talaga niyang lumakad. Abo. Nagda-dance pa siya, oh. Ginagaya niya yung ano, yung kanyang pinapanood. Oh, no! Andito kami sa kitchen. Gusto na niya naman niyang magbasa. Black and white. Black and white. Pink. Purple. Purple. Blue. Green. Tinatandaan niya yan. Yellow. Orange. Talaga nag-aaral siya, oh. Red. See? Red. Oh, one more. One more. Jayu. Nanonood na ikaw? You're watching? You don't want to, to read? Oh. Oh, black and white. Pink. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Boy, nakasimangot, baby love. Seryoso. Nakasimangot siya kasi pinapabasa niya ako kanina. Yan, ang dami niyang kalat. Oh. Ayan. Masaya yan dyan sa number 1 to 20. Tapos pag natapos yan, magagalit yan sa akin. Gusto niya ibabalik ko yung 1 to 20. Oh, go na there! Oh, you go na there. You said you like that. Okay, let's go. Oh, go there. You said you like that. Oh, 17. 18. 19. 20. Oh, why? Why? Oh, you're pushing me, Nanjay, oh. Ayan, pag natapos yung 1 to 20, nagagalit siya. Gusto niya ibabalik ko. Dumitingin siya dito. Why? You're pushing mama. Oh. Okay. Oh, sige na, ibabalik ni mama yon. You like that? The 1 to 20? Okay, oh. Ayan na. Oh. Clap na. Yay! Ayan. Dito siya tumitingin. Look, oh. Nandito na rin, oh. 3. Jayo. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Alam niya kasi dito siya tumitingin kanina nung matapos yan. Oh, the same. It's the same. Oh, you know it. Okay. Okay. Oh, 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20! Oh. Ayan na naman. Oh, balik. Why? It's finished already. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Aray ko. Tulak na ako. Okay. Repeat again. Okay, repeat again.